My biggest struggle when traveling is packing what to wear, especially when it's a different season than what I'm also normally used to. So anyway, if you're like me going to Kyoto in the month of May, I got you. I'll be sharing what I wear to wear. Yeah, you see what I did there? I do have to give you a disclaimer. I was staying in a tiny room at a hostel, which I will upload a separate hostel tour in another video. So I had to film this outfit guide on the bed. So anyway, for the first 2 days, I was going to be at Amanohashidate there. It's one of the 3 most scenic spots in Japan, so obviously I gotta match the vibe. Though it's kinda rainy in May, I was really lucky that it was sunny on both days. I'm wearing a pink maxi dress as the base and laying over this knitted gradient sweater that I bought in Hanoi. And I love how the green and pink go so well together. I'm really big on accessorizing, but when I travel, I have to make sure I don't overpack. So I bring stuff like bows that I feel are very versatile for decorating my outfits. Like it can be a ribbon centerpiece like this or just a hair accessory, which is what I decided to go for. Finishing off with this pink pendant necklace I got from a pen pal 10 years ago, and I am so in love with the final look. Okay, obviously today I'm not in my tiny hostel, I'm in Monjuso Hotel, so there's a bigger space for me to get ready. This is day 2 and we're going to Inefunaya, a fishing village here, and to get there we have to take a boat where I can feed birds. I'm re-wearing the dress from yesterday, which is so gross, I know, but your girl tries to travel light. And then I'm laying over this cute handmade top that I got in Chiang Mai, and of course I need my sun hat because it's a sunny ass day. Okay, it got too sunny to the point I had to remove the long sleeves top. Day 3, I'm visiting Arashiyama, so since it's kinda giving me nature and sacred vibes, I wanted something modest and down to earth, like I guess the word is Mori style. So I'm wearing jeans and this pretty lace top, and we are obviously not done yet. It's not giving modest, so I'm using this elastic patchwork skirt to lay over the lace top, which is super creative, right? Then I'm cinching my waist with a belt. I don't know which belt to choose cause I bought this heart design one here in Kyoto, but I guess the elastic belt went with the outfit better. And how can I forget my trusty old sun hat? I think this outfit was perfect for the weather that day since it was kinda cloudy and chilly and it wasn't making me sweat, and I felt really comfortable. Of course, I'm going to Universal Studios and I was dead set on taking lots of pictures at the Hello Kitty area, so I wanted to go for sort of like a gyaru style, like you know, you see those girls taking photo prints at Harajuku with the mini skirt and high boots, and I think I nailed it honestly. Okay, the vibe we're going for is Harvest Moons. Also nailed it because I'm going to Nara Park and Ikoma Sanjo to take this cute ass doggy train. I'm so excited to share with you guys my experience at Ikoma Sanjo, and I was kind of worried about wearing such short shorts because you know, it's Japan, it's conservative. But it was okay, I really didn't get much stares to be honest. Okay, last one, I said it is kind of a bonus, but I only went out at night because it was raining so damn hard that day. And why am I dressed so cute? Cause girly is going on a date and we're going to the city center to eat some wagyu. And yeah, I just thought this dress was perfect, and of course I had a cute matching jacket on to keep me warm. Anyway, I'll be sharing my Kyoto itinerary soon, and yeah, so please subscribe to stay tuned.